Hello everyone, this is AMOGH MANDAL, currently a first year student at IIT Roorkee in the Department of Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, and I will be presenting on the implementation of nested loops in C++. So what are nested loops? Nested loops, as the name suggests, is a loop which is inside another loop. But why do we need them? Consider this following code. You may guess the output. It prints 5 lines where each line has a single star. But how to print such a pattern where the number of stars is not 1 unlike the previous loop? Here the number of stars is equal to the index of the line. Like the third line contains 3 stars and the fourth line contains 4 stars and so on. To get such a pattern we need nested loops. Consider this code of a rectangle using stars. We have taken two inputs h and l which denote the height and length of the rectangle respectively. The job of the outer loop is to print the number of lines which corresponds to the height h of the rectangle, and the inner loop prints stars in each line equal to its length L. Consider this hollow rectangle using stars. Here too the outer loop prints the number of lines which is equal to the height h of the rectangle. But note that when the line index is not equal to 1 and not equal to h, we print L minus 2 spaces and 2 stars. Otherwise we print L stars, which is controlled by the if-else clause. Consider this code of a half pyramid using stars. Here the outer loop is iterating the number of lines or the height h of the pyramid, and you can notice that the ith line contains I stars. So we make an inner loop starting from 1 to I, where I is the current line number. Consider this half pyramid using a given string as input. Here the length of the string is the height of this pyramid, and in each line we print the first I letters of the string. Due to zero-based indexing, the limits of the loop are changed. We can also start I from 1 to s dot length and print s of j minus 1 by starting j from 1 to I. Flourish triangle. Here, the outer loop has the similar function as the rest of the loops, but the inner loop prints the first I natural numbers in each line. So we print j which goes from 1 to I. Butterfly using stars. Here, the outer loop iterates 2n minus 1 times, which is also equal to the number of lines the pattern has. Inside the loop, I have initialized a variable j equal to n and a fly equal to 0, and while j is less than or equal to n, I am doing the following operations. First, I print stars till I reach this condition as soon as possible. And as soon as I reach it, I print a certain amount of spaces, after which the flag is set to 1 and the stars are print again, thus giving it a butterfly shape. I have proved modulus of n minus I because after the nth line n minus I becomes negative so as to compensate the negative value. Pascal's triangle. In Pascal's triangle, in the ith line we print the binomial coefficients I minus 1 c naught, I minus 1 c 1 to till I minus 1 c I minus 1. As the first line has the number 0 c 0 and the second line has the numbers 1 c naught and 1 c 1. Square in a square. In this program, the outer loop prints the number of lines equal to the side of the square. It should be strictly odd because for an even integer we cannot get the desired output. Next, we have an if-else-if clause to print stars according to our pattern. In the first and the last line, we print stars equal to its side, and between the third and the side minus 2 lines, we print a star followed by a space and then a bunch of side minus 4 stars followed by a space and a star again. This creates a filled square inside the big square, and in the rest of the lines we print stars followed by side minus 2 spaces again followed by a star.